Hi everyone. So this is our third day. Now we got ready. We are in Langkawi right now. So now we are going to where, Mecca? Sky Beach. So let's see. This is our swimming pool where we have planned to swim, but we couldn't because we have to cover few things. So now we are going on the way to Langkawi. Yeah. So we came out of the hotel. So this is our car. Now we are going to go. Let's see. So hi everyone. Now I'm driving my car and we are on the Langkawi street, which I have showed you yesterday even. And let's see. Now we are going few places. And this is the Langkawi street. You can see. Yeah.
Hi everyone, as you can see we are on the streets. Raj is driving. Where is he taking us and going?
I'm driving on an island. Wow.
On an island, yes.
It feels
finally.
so good and the place is so beautiful.
Yeah, it is greenery everywhere.
Yeah.
See, the road is so nice and windy and curvy.
And the driver is driving very fast.
Driver is driving very fast. He does not understand. We might fall off the island at any moment. We are not in a city that there is road everywhere. We could just be in water in a minute or so.
Hi everyone, so you can see this board now and the clouds are so awesome and these are the cars. This is main road highway, I think so. I think of Langkawi, and people are on motorbikes. Mecca sitting there chilling out and few motorbikes are there. Let's see. So this is the place we have seen, and that is the car. So hi everyone, finally we have parked our car and we have reached to the Eagle. Which place? Which place, Mecca?
Eagle.
Arey, but what's the place name?
I don't know. I just said that.
So this is the parking of, and how much they are going to charge, we don't have any idea. You can see the surroundings, and I'll show you Eagle, big Eagle there. So this is the view you will get on this place. I don't know the name, but the eagle is there. What people say, it's a very unique point of Langkawi. So we just came and we'll see from front. So hi. So we finally reached. So hi everyone. You can see there is a big eagle behind me, and Mecca is also there. So this is the place we came early morning. It's around 6:30 of India and 8 or 9 of Langkawi. The eagle is there, and it's a very nice place. This is the view which you will get from this statue. Yeah, wow. Wow. You can see boats are going. So this is the place. This is a big eagle. And small fountains are there. So hi everyone. So just now we have seen a small stall. So I told Mecca, let's try some local food here. It's what do you call it, Mecca? Stall only, huh? So let's see if we'll get something to eat. I'll show you the local food of Malay Langkawi. So hi everyone, this is something we took from here.
What? Kovarnaram temple.
So now we have reached Wat Ko Varnaram temple. You can see it's a Buddhist big temple. Let's see. This is the entrance. And I think it's in construction only, Mecca.
Yeah, looks like.
No?
I think
See, it's getting constructed only now.
I guess it is something new only they are still, or they are increasing it or something.
See, this is the temple. And this is surroundings. So you want me to stop or?
No, take it, we can go. I see it turn back.
So this is the. I think we need to take U-turn from here. But the location is very good. See na? Wow. Wow, really good. So this is the road which Marlika liked a lot because you can see everywhere you can see trees and the road is very good. People are nice and you can't, you will not able to see lots of traffic, right Mecca?
Yeah, it is mostly.
And what is your views about this road?
It is nice. There is trees on both sides, so there is shade. Like you're not driving in continuous.
And what about
heat.
my view?
Yes, Raj is driving very well. He's driving like he's road racing. But since the roads are empty, at least people are safe.
It's like GT road everywhere you can
road,
take.
yeah, there is turns everywhere.
True. Hi everyone, so we reached to this Hima. This is the entrance. So this is the place where we came and this is the parking. And I think we need to take tickets or something, then you can go by this. But let's see. So these are the things you can do here. These are the price list. And this you can do. So hi everyone, what we are discussing is for everyone, anyone, whoever comes to Langkawi, they should hire a car only. There are few reasons behind it. One to because of temperature. Na Mecca, what else you say?
Also, we have to go to quite a few places, like 20, 30, 40 kilometers away.
True.
If you do the whole, this would be, I think, 60 kilometers types.
And it's
So we're doing
you
that
can't
on
drive every time scooty, and car is much comfortable option. And I think from 2 hours I'm driving, I didn't feel anything. If I would be driving a bike or something, it would be really very hectic to drive 30-40 kilometers. That too even the curved roads. Na, these roads are so different than our roads. And what are the reasons? What else reasons, Mecca? What do you say?
I think so because you can go a lot of distance away. Otherwise, you'll have to do close by. Only.
Yeah, this is one more reason. Correct, Mecca said. Like if you will take car, you can explore more options. Many places you can go. Like somewhere you don't want to go, that you can, you can go and see. If you didn't like, you can go to another place. Like now we went to somewhere, I don't remember the forest thing. Yeah, I didn't find anything special there. So then we thought of not going. Then we are going somewhere else. Now we are going towards the beach. So let's see how it will be. So first time we came to a fuel station in Langkawi. Let's see how I'm going to fill, because I literally don't have idea. Yeah.
So today Raj is going to fill in petrol in his own car.
Zero. Just check
It is
it.
zero.
Oh, I don't think so. It will reach my car.
You'll have to go the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, mission 1 fail. Mission 2, Raj is trying to turn his car closer to the petrol station. So kilometer we are seeing 0.
You are seeing it?
Yeah. So Raj is filling his own petrol, as you can see.
Here, first time I am filling my own fuel. Auto cut became क्या?
What is Raj doing?
It's coming even on.
It is coming.
How much is it?
20 तक became. liters they filled.
Now where is this?
15 liters. 31. 33. Looks like this car was just empty, or it's taking too much fuel. Finished now, it is full, or it's just bubbling up. Yeah, I think it is full now.
How many liters?
18 point. But still follow.
So total? So hi everyone, we reached to the beautiful beach. This, I think, yeah, people are swimming. This is RHU something. So hi everyone, finally you can see the clean beach, blue water, and this is Langkawi, and now people are getting ready to have bath.
Acha, like this water will take.
Yo! Hi everyone, just now I was talking to Marlika, we'll make a house something, or we can take a house like this. So beautiful, 3 cars he have, small house, so beautiful house he has, and the view is so good, and people are staying and they are living their own life, matlab real life. Now see, you can see the roads. Wow, it's literally wow. And the view is too good, yeah, too good. I liked it, the place a lot. So hi everyone. Now we are driving on this beautiful road. Random road. We don't even know where we are going, but you can see it's so random, and it's like going on mountain. But it's beautiful, really very, very beautiful. You can see the trees, wow, literally this road,
300 meters.
300 na? See, wow, yaar. It's really, yaar, amazing. Wow. I love this place, yaar, literally. And the view. But again, I'll tell you, you have to take car because the temperature is on higher side. Right? They say. Acha, they say. And I don't know what these trees are, yeah. But really, they have done foresting of these trees.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Jalandhati, Route 161.
Oh shit. Mecca, I don't know where we are going. Now we are very inside to the forest.
But at least this time we have petrol.
At least we have full fuel in our car.
Yes.
And there is a car coming from there, so we need to. So Mecca, what you are having? Can you show what is that?
This is pandan. It is a famous sweet dish in Malaysia. It tastes like coconut, slight coconutty, and it is used in sweet dishes. It's a leaf.
Pandang. pandan. So
Yeah.
how's the taste?
Coconutty.
Coconut. So you liked it?
Yes, it's usually used in sweet dishes.
Oh. So it's sweet. It's a type of sweet dish.
Yeah.
Oh, the turns are so dangerous. While driving, so it's very dangerous too. Oh. And you can see still, it's very risky to drive on this road, full of turns. You can see. Beach is there. Hi everyone, so now we reached to this place and lots of monkeys are here. Lots of monkeys, small. Oh, big monkey. Mecca. So this is the place. This is the entrance where we are. So you can see the Langkawi Island and we are here.
Here. This is the check.
So now we have to go this, right?
Yes.
And then this. And then back to this.
Yes.
And we have covered whole this one, na?
Yep.
We didn't we went that side.
I
This
don't
side?
know.
Okay, so this is the place.
This is the waterfall, I guess.
This is the waterfall. Let's see. But still, see the difference between beach and this place. So different.
Waterfall, there is mountain.
Sorry, what you were saying, Mecca? What?
There is waterfalls, beaches, mountains.
Yeah, that what.
monkeys.
Everything you get to see this place, and this place is so cool. मतलब the beach पे we were feeling so hot. See, it's totally different now. The temperature has been reduced a lot, and lots of monkeys can be seen. I don't know if, but the place is beautiful. This place I loved. So hi everyone. So this is what we have not expected, and it's really very beautiful. Wow. I'll really plan to have bath here now because it's better than beach. What I love more. Wow. Now we can't stop ourselves. So hi Mecca. So what we have planned now? We'll do swimming. So where we are going now?
We are going to get our clothes.
So now we are going to get our clothes from car, and it's the best thing, best water. Wow. And the area you can see is so good, and the waterfall is so good. Hi everyone, so this was the way, and finally we have reached to the waterfall. This is the waterfall. So this is the beautiful waterfall of Langkawi, and people are having bath. Now Mecca is going to go in, and this was the view from where we came. Go! Wow. So hi everyone, so finally we are inside the dam. Come! Oh look! It's really very beautiful. It's Langkawi. Oh. So you can see the height of this. Wait, So this is the place. Wow. The place is beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Hi everyone. So we really enjoyed this place. Now we are leaving.
Hi Raj Singh. So would you like to tell us what you just witnessed?
The monkey thing you want to.
You don't tell the villain before starting the story, you know. You need to start it from the start.
There was a couple who came from Australia, and they have taken scooty in Langkawi, and they have parked, and they were swimming with us. They became very good friend of mine, not yours. First of all, and the other part is when we came back to change our dress, they noticed they lost their bag. Okay, then what happened? They saw their cosmetics were destroyed by something. They have their bag was not there, but they have found their passport and phone was there, but their bag was not there. And then after that, what he saw is a monkey, were trained monkey who's trying to open seat of the scooty, and they were stealing things. So I think we tried to find their bag, but unluckily we didn't find.
So back again, should you get a bike or car?
Of course, I always prefer a car.
Okay, now we are heading to the Sky Bridge. You can see the roads everywhere in Langkawi are very nice. See, as you can see, nice clear weather today. It is quite hot out.
Yeah, that's why you should prefer car, not scooty, because it's very hot out.
Yeah.
And if you want to chill, of course you need a AC. So you can relax, and then you can roam.
Yes.
So hi everyone, this is the view, full of mountains.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Jalan Tebet.
A really nice road. So hi everyone, now we finally came to the Sky Cab. This is the place, and I think we need to go there up. So let's see what will be the process, how much they are going to charge. But the area is beautiful, and this is the ticket counter, I think so. Let's see. That's why they came in. This is the place. Beautiful. Here we have parked our car. So hi everyone, we reached to the another place called Taliga waterfall, but just now we came from the water.
那今天呢，先来推荐给你的就是母鸡的细。
So this is the place. We don't know which place is this, but it was looking beautiful, so we have decided to come this side. And you can see water is so clean, ships are there. So hi everyone, this is the cruise which we are going to take in evening. So now we have come to ask for the prices. So let's see, then the water is so clear and the place is so beautiful. As you all can see, wow, it's really so clean water. Seriously, this place is awesome. So now you will see a good view.
Wow, see where we reached.
Wow, it's the color of water.
People have parked it inside.
Wow. So hi everyone, we reached to this lighthouse, the unique place there. You will never see anyone coming to this place because it's a hidden place. People are doing fishing, and you can see the color of water.
Hi everyone, as you can see, there is Raj Singh,
Hi.
and this is a secret spot
Everywhere
we
you can see
find.
the fishing rod.
Everyone is fishing here.
See
Yeah,
everywhere you
yeah,
can
yeah.
see the fishing rod. There.
Correct.
So we'll try to eat fresh fish.
Yes.
Right?
Eaten gem, yes.
Jen. Oh. So hi everyone, there is a store that has very authentic food. You can see they have different type of gravies and everything they have. And what is the process, how they charge, whatever if you will take, they will charge it accordingly. Hi everyone, so now I have taken this dish. It's a mixed of everything. There is sausage, there is egg, chicken, fish, and this mushroom, and it's really very tasty. Hi everyone, so now we are on the Langkawi Lagoon hotel, and see, you can see these are the water villa. Let's see, we'll go out there and check how, but I don't think so we should stay here because the water is not so clean like blue water, because that side we have seen so clear water was there. Here that,
I think that side it is clean.
but what we will do if you can't go out even then, but place is nice, they have something unique to give. So we were finding a bridge, and now we are nowhere. We are in the area of boats. You can see everywhere boat is parked, and we were searching up for a bridge, and we thought we'll go that side, but suddenly our roads became very narrow.
We ended up in the sea. Naraj, what do you think? Yes.
But the water was very clear this
Yeah,
side.
I think they're building something. There was a JCB also on the beach, no?
I think some bridge or something. they
Yeah,
must be
yeah,
doing.
yeah.
So this is, I think, a small town of
Yeah.
here. Oh shit. Hi everyone. So this is the place. This is hotels near the beach.
Hi everyone. We reached some random road. You can see.
Oh fuck. See that?
See, yeah, this
Zoom it
sign.
na.
You can see this sign. They will shoot you if you enter this property. Not even prosecute you like in India.
They'll just kill you.
Yeah.
They'll shoot you. These are the properties.
Yeah, there's all resorts everywhere.
So hi everyone. You can see the awesome view. This is island where you can go. You need to take ships. No, small boats even go. Yeah, from flight you can see this view only, Mecca. Exact this view. Yeah, exact view this.
You told me this thrice by now.
And this is the road. Wow, seriously, it's so nice.
那昨天有没有刷到这个
哇
让人震惊的影片呢？
去年4月，我被诊断出心脏错误，
我是 JJ，
一天要靠药物控制。这消息真的让我。
So hi everyone, one more time I'm going to take fuel from, you take me, it's a video.
Raj is filling fuel. Now he's become a pro in filling. This is zero.
It's zero, right?
Yes.
How much can we take?
1 RM. 3, 5, 6,
And liters?
8, 10 RM. 5 liters. 12, 13. 14 RM. 7 liters. 15 RM.
15 na?
हाँ.
How much?
15 RM.
I think it's full.
Hi everyone. We have reached this temple in Lankavi. Raj is going to find me a charger. As you can see, this is really spacious. There are different animals here as well. So now we are walking towards the temple. You can see there are like a lot of steps towards it. Nice. See, this is the inside of the temple. That is Raj Singh coming from.
What?
That is Raj Singh coming from the temple.
See that clouds look so nice.
हाँ.
View is so beautiful.
Yeah.
And you have shown this.
Yeah, that one is a
Wow. Literally.
Okay, we just came in. This is the doors. This is the paintings. That is Raj Singh.
This is proper Chinese, na?
Yeah.
मतलब Chinese god.
See, that is the door.
So hi everyone, this is the place we came, and this is proper Chinese temple, China temple or Chinese temple, what do we call it? Huh? China temple, Chinese temple actually, Hindu's temple, it's not Hindu temple or Hindu temple even is. So I think and the drawing is so good. Wow. But the place they make is very nice, na Mecca? What do you say? And the candles, the shapes, it's so good. So hi everyone, just tell me this doesn't look like our Vishnu Bhagwan. It's called Metta God and we are in Chinese temple. You can see, and it seem like our Vishnu God, Vishnu, and this is the place, this is the view. So hi everyone, so this was the Chinese temple. Just now I have shown you, and now we are going to the another place, but the temple is really very beautiful. And let's see now, I think we have almost covered everything in Lankavi. What do you say, Mecca?
Yes. See, these are the birth animals, Chinese birth animals.
Oh wow, wait, I'll show you. Okay. What are you saying, Mecca?
This is your animals, which here you are born, those animals.
Okay,
And
so
they
12.
say, I am dog.
Huh? This is not dog, this is pig. This one is.
Dog, this one I said.
How?
Because you can see your Chinese calendar mein which animal you are.
And which animal I am?
I don't know which year you are.
Huh? You don't know which year I born? Mecca. Then how?
This is Sophie's tiger.
Which one?
Yes.
Oh wow. I think mine is horse. A mouse, 2 mouse are there. Wow. But the place is very good, na? But see, sound is getting echo. Matlab, it's echo.
Because it is open area, na? So much open area.
Yeah.
Hi guys, as you can see we are traveling, climbing this mountain from the perfect.
And it's really very matlab incline you say, right?
Yeah, it is very steep.
My
The
car.
driving is very steep.
It's very difficult to
Yeah,
drive
we
even.
might even get the rains. If you can see, the cloud is also.
And the roads are very dangerous.
Yes.
See, you can see the turns and everywhere you will get the turn.
Correct.
And see how matlab height pe we came, it's totally cloudy and everything.
Yeah,
It's look
yeah,
like
yeah.
it will rain.
Correct.
And sometime back when we were down, that time it was normal temperature. And now when we came up, it's feeling like it's so cold.
And still Raj wants AC.
No, I just offed it.
Okay, we'll see you up. Incline.
This is 28% inclined, and there was board given कि you really need a very powerful car to drive on this road. And let's see, we are trying with our car, but let's see where we'll be able to go.
Yes, definitely. We can take a photo.
This is the place. So here we have parked our car, and the climate is so cold. Wow, and the view. Wow. Finally we reached to the top, and from there is Chinese temple only. I think I can see something, but it's really very unique place. So this is the place I've showed you. Wow. Literally, I think it will rain because you can see all the towers, and it's very high. I don't know the distance, but it's literally, I took around 2 hours to reach this place. Too heighted, too difficult to drive, but I think normal tourists never explore this type of place in Langkawi. I thought let's do something unique, so we came to this place, and this is really beautiful. लेने वाला में से नहीं हूँ. Wow. So hi everyone, you can see this view. Cloud. So hi everyone, so this is the place. Wait, I'll tell you the name. What was the name? What is the name? Which Raya? Yong Raya. This is the place. This is what it feels like. I think, yeah, you can see. So hi everyone, this is the place. I think you should come once if you are in Langkawi. This is the name. So finally this is the airport. Maybe we'll leave tomorrow from here only. This is the view. ये एयरपोर्ट कौन सा? That is airport. Again we came आगे.
नहीं आगे से है टर्न, आगे तो नहीं है.
अच्छा हाँ, यहीं से तो we have taken.
This all we crossed and went up. We just.
Yeah, there से we took यहाँ से only I think so.
Straight you have to go.
This is the airport.
That's it.
This is Langkawi.
Straight go na. He's waiting for you.
Here से भी entry was there ना बेटा?
No, that was exit na. Entry is like this.
So we were roaming around airport only. So this is Langkawi airport. You can see that side. This is the airport. I think this is the airport name. And this is the parking of airport. Yeah, Malaysia. You can see this. Now what we have to do is we have to park. Hey, this side say even we can park, Mika. Yeah, we can park. See. And the one thing you will see is everything is automated here with the dash cam. See, automatically it gets entry 442 sorry. And now just we need to park the car. So this is the airport. Yeah, for everyone who is taking car on rental, these are the cars. You can see, just you need to get down from the airport and you just need to take the car. Lanka bhi booking. Check now. 495. Hi everyone. So this is another car which we have booked. We have returned that car. So this is how 360 works in Toyota. Pretty nice. So this is the car, and now we are going